In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a deployment in Vercel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trigger a clean redeploy of an existing deployment, why you might want to do it, and what to look for as it builds. This is perfect when you need to rebuild with the same code commit, maybe after adjusting environment variables, updating server-side resources, or resolving a one-off build issue without pushing new code. Start by heading to vercel.com. Once you're on the Vercel dashboard, make sure you're viewing the workspace and project where the deployment lives. From here, locate the Deployments tab. Depending on your view, this may appear at the top of the dashboard or within the selected project. Click the Deployments tab to see a chronological list of your recent builds. Next, pick the deployment you want to update and click it to open its details page. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one. Check the branch, whether it's marked as production or preview, the timestamp, and the commit message. This helps ensure you redeploy the exact build you intend, especially if there are many similar entries. On the deployment page, find the three-dot menu, sometimes called the kebab menu, usually near the top right corner. Click it to open the action menu. From the options, choose redeploy. This tells Vercel to rebuild and redeploy this exact deployment using the same commit and configuration. It does not pull in new code, it simply reruns the build with the current project settings and environment. You'll be asked to confirm. Click redeploy again to proceed. Vercel will queue the build, install dependencies, run your build steps, and then provision the deployment. Watch the logs in real time to verify each phase completes successfully. If the deployment you're updating is a production 1, the updated version will take over the production alias once it's ready. For preview deployments, you'll get a fresh, ready URL tied to the same commit, which is helpful for testing a rebuild without merging new changes. Give the process a moment to finish. When the status shows ready, your redeployed build is live. If something fails, review the logs on this page to spot dependency issues, build command errors, or environment problems. Remember, a redeploy is especially useful after changing environment variables or external services because it ensures those updates are applied without a new code push. That's it. Quick, reliable, and fully traceable. You've just updated a deployment in Vercel by redeploying the exact build you needed.